Hello, class. My name is Taylor,
And I'm Victoria.
and today we will be talking. So, after research, we found TeacherTube to be a more reliable and educational resource to use in your classroom that will ensure appropriateness and safety for your students' learning. The ISTE standard 1A states that educators continually improve their practice by learning from and with others and exploring proven and promising practices that leverage technology to improve student learning. Educators set professional learning goals to explore and apply pedagogical approaches made possible by technology and reflect on their effectiveness. So now we're going to show you a navigation through TeacherTube.
So now we're going to go to TeacherTube. And TeacherTube is a website that is very close related to YouTube as far as videos that are being uploaded. A lot of educators upload their educational videos for other use of teachers. And there is different options that you can use on TeacherTube as audios, docs, and groups. There's some similar options that TeacherTube has as YouTube are playlists and channels. So if you scroll down, you will see what's recommended for you based on what videos you watch most often. And if you click this subject, you're able to choose what exactly you would like to focus on in your classroom, such as reading, um, fine arts, and just general education. You're able to find a lot of videos that would be helpful and effective for your classroom. Now we're going to show you the search option. So let's say you're teaching a math classroom and you want to cover your order of operations. So you're going to search order of operations, and it might take a while. There we go. Okay, and then the first things that are going to pop up are the Google results for order of operations. So you have reliable websites that you're able to just find more information on. And then if you scroll down a little bit more, you'll be able to find some videos that teachers have uploaded. And this website is a lot more effective and reliable as far as educational needs, rather than going on YouTube and just having that risk of the video not always being as educational as you wish it would, because these are videos that teachers have used themselves in their classrooms. And you're able to subscribe, I believe, and just keep track of what channels you are in as far as your students' learning abilities and anything that's going to help your classroom become a more effective classroom. And this is TeacherTube. Thank you for watching this video.